Back to Puerto Rico.
Well, we're at JFK after I guess it wasn't a long flight. I think it was almost 5 hours, but it was a red eye, so, you know, not that comfortable. I guess I fell asleep, but I'm not really sure. Yeah. So here we are, bright and early. We have a couple hours before we catch the final plane to San Juan, and then we'll see what's happening with our house and the island. And I hope the car starts. If the car doesn't start, we're gonna have to figure out how to get that done in Spanish. I guess it's AAA. I mean, yeah, I don't know how long it'll take him to get there. Things just don't work the same there as they do here, so almost home. You look great. What do you think we're gonna find? Yeah, I think we're gonna find gold. Lots of gold. And I hear traffic lights in Milford. I just hope the car starts. I hope the AC works. Yeah, and I hope they haven't been charging it for us this whole time. Yeah, I'll have to work that out.
My God, right after the storm, you don't know if you were going east or west.
Oh, the trees have leafed out.
Everything looks so different.
So when you saw it, it was just sticks?
Yeah, and I can see houses that I didn't know they were around my house. You know?
Neighbors revealed.
Yeah. Go ahead, be the first one.
Yeah! Nobody claps anymore! Totally missing a palm tree there. God, what's this doing here? Oh, little buddy got its head cut off. Oh, I'll get it. Oh, my purse. Where's that cushion from? Alright. Oh God, the cow rug. Oh. Yeah, it's been through some business. Oh my gosh, the bushes were totally stripped. Oh my God, look at the table.
We're gonna need new furniture. Yeah.
Ooh, that's bad. That needs to be fixed out there.
Our grill is totally missing.
It's just gone.
Oh, and they're still feeding the birds. Oh my God, that's our driver feeding the birds.
Oh,
That's so cute.
Alright, what's going on here? The water from here?
Yeah, the whole first floor. Oh God, there's a salamander or gecko, whatever it is. I think it's dead.
He said this.
It's all the laminate's falling off. It's got some random garbage. Looks like our little gate fell apart. Oh yeah, this is one of ours. No, I don't know. know if I should even own up to it or not. All these trees are super stripped. They used to be so fluffy. Oh my god. There's an actual tomato plant growing in here. That's crazy. And we have a little lake in our patio. This glass tabletop needs to be replaced. And that little plastic piece is missing. All these nasty molded pillows. So this nasty moldy wall. Ugh, it's just so crusty and crappy. I don't know what that is. And what is this nasty greenish mold? Black mold? I don't know. Blinds that were facing the hurricane. Got all kind of mold and nasty as well. And there it is. My first mosquito bite. This rug looks skanky. I don't know what happened to the poor garage door opener. Wow, I can't believe this thing is still alive. Ew. 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 Okay, I don't know what this white stuff is inside my cabinet. It's like you just can't do anything. You open a cabinet, you open a drawer, there's something weird going on. So we just got back and the damage isn't too bad. I mean, it's just a lot of little things. A lot of little things that will add up into a lot of time and some money and effort to put back together. This roof was standing in water. Oh, I can't show it to you. Wait, there we go. Standing water. So I've been taking my old broom there and just sweeping it out through that little hole there, which is kind of the best I can do right now. Ted is downstairs calling someone to help come start the car because after 3.5 months, it's not going to start. Plus, we gave the neighbors all the gas, so that could be part of it too. And I'm tired from going upstairs, so I'm not used to it. But look at the sunset behind me. Not bad, eh? That we always go through looks mostly normal, but the produce section is a little more sparse, and it doesn't have bananas of all things, which means we'll have to go searching somewhere else for those, and maybe carrots either. So we'll see what else we find. So we found most of what we needed at Supermax. It was mostly normal. It was a little bit lighter in some areas, some entry shelves, but mostly it was up to snuff. But we didn't find bananas. Okay, well that's typical for Puerto Rico. Well, it's an island and people have to ship things here.
It shouldn't be that much.
Okay, so we didn't find bananas, we didn't find baby carrots, we didn't find Triscuits, of all things. Oh, and Ted's Monsters, they didn't have those, which is just a crisis. So we're gonna go to Amigo and see if.
I think Walmart there.
Yeah, well, let's try Amigo first because they have parking. Walmart's far away and busy and crowded. I don't see any mushrooms. Hey, baby carrots. But no bananas anywhere. Those are plantains over there. I stand corrected. They are bananas. They are super green. So no monsters. No Triscuits. All they had were these fake Triscuits, so we'll try those.
Okay.
And then I got some mint, because my mint plant out front was completely obliterated by the hurricane, so I'm going to try to grow it actually. And then, yeah, I have chicken. And then I got some basil. I'm going to see if I can actually root that and grow it too. And there's chicken. Yay. So I had to stand in line again for Ted's ice cream because we forgot that. And of course they didn't have big packets, so I had to get 3 small ones. But anyway, while I was in line, I met the most charming man. He's like 79 and apparently he's, I don't know, the Dorado town playboy, I guess, self-proclaimed. Yeah.
What, he invited you over here as an orgy?
No, but apparently he lives with 11 women and has 2 girlfriends right now. Anyway, he was asking me about my Spanish and learning Spanish, and he made me promise to tell my husband to buy me a TV, cheap TV at Walmart, and listen to Spanish, so that's how I'll learn it. So that's the advice. He was going to tell me to get a Spanish boyfriend, but then he saw that I was married, so he backed off that suggestion. But anyway, yeah, this guy, total delight. The first thing he said to me was, "It's so amazing to be alive." I was like, wow. That's the voice of someone who went through a hurricane.
Yes, meeting.
It's just happy to be here.
I'm happy to be with my Playboy girl.
So while we were away, our refrigerator went completely rancid. We're talking worms, all kinds of life. This is the ice we just made. It just came out of the ice maker. It's all crunchy with some little protein niblets in there. So yeah, we'll have to clean that. I just Googled how to clean maggots out of an ice maker, and I didn't actually get a whole lot of helpful results. So I don't know if this thing can be saved.